Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to install a game. So let me go to home screen, then select this apps tab, then go down. Here you can see the search field. This is the search field for searching apps and games. Select this search field. So here let me type name of one game. Let me type Orbia. Search. See here you can see the that game. Set Orbia. Then set install. See, this way we can install game. This is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Let me cancel this. Method 2. Go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to apps. Go to see all apps. Here you can see list of all installed apps. Go down. Set show system apps. Then again go down. Under system apps we need to locate Google Play Store. Go down. Here you can see Google Play Store. Set it. Then set open. See, now you are seeing Google Play Store app. Here go to top. Here you can see two sections, apps, games. If you go to games, you can see lot of games here. See, and we can also search here. See, we can use this search field. Here also you can type for Orbia. See, then select Orbia. Then you can install. See. So this is a method 2. So these are two methods. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.